Hello everyone, welcome to the one question series of Avlokan IAS. Today we are going to discuss one more question that is asked in CSAT 2020 and it belongs to the topic number system. The question is the recurring decimal representation of 1.2727 is equivalent to. So let's talk about the concept first, then we will jump onto the trick. I'm saying that 1.272727, this is the number. Let's say this is x. We can also write x equals to 1.27 to the bar. That means this 27 part is recurring again and again. Now since it is occurring two times, see two digits are occurring, so we will multiply it with 100. 100x will going to be 127.27 to the bar. Now this is my statement 1, this is my statement 2, and when we are subtracting 1 from 2, we will get, see this 0.27 is recurring in both of them, so this will get subtracted and 127 minus 1 is 126 and this will become 100 minus 1 is 99. So I am directly writing 99x equals to 126 or x equals to 126 upon 99. Now cut it with 9, it's going to be 11 and it's going to be 14. So 14 by 11 is my answer. Now whenever you get such questions, you can directly remember there are only two formulas when there is only purely recurring part and when there is not purely recurring part. Let's discuss. This x can be written as 1 plus 0.272727 or 1 plus 0.27 to the bar. Now see, we have to just convert this into fraction. So whenever we have a number of such type which have only the recurring part, in that case we can write the fraction as p by q is equals to, write recurring part once and number of times 9 as the number of digits in the recurring part. तो क्या होगा यहाँ पे, रिकरिंग पार्ट हमारा क्या है 27 और कितने डिजिट हैं 2, तो ये हो जाएगा 99. So this x can be written as 1 plus 27 upon 99 and this can be चलो यहीं पे कर लेते हैं 11 and this will remain 3. 11 on 3 is 14 by 11. So this is my answer. 14 by 11 is my answer. I hope you understand. Thank you.